These two kitchen ingredients will change your hair game forever. Whether you've been suffering from postpartum shedding, stunted growth, hair thinning, hair loss, alopecia or hair fall, bald patches, grey hair, color damaged hair, dull hair down to heat damaged hair, this treatment is very powerful and yet super easy to prepare. Watch this video to see the best way you can use bay leaf and rosemary leaf for healthy hair growth. Just in case you're new to this channel, you're welcome. It's Kelsey, and on this channel we do everything related to natural hair. And if this sounds like your kind of video, then you might as well consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, grab your seat and let's get right into the video. In your empty clean jar, go ahead and add about 7 leaves of bay leaf. After that, add 3 spoons of rosemary leaves into your jar. Again, you must not use dried rosemary or bay leaf. Feel free to use your fresh rosemary or bay leaf. It is still gonna be as super effective as using the dried leaves. And now that I'm done adding the hot water, I'll cover it up and allow to infuse for 8 hours. If you've been dreaming of that shinier, thicker, longer, darker, fuller and healthy looking natural hair, then you can never go wrong with bay leaf. Bay leaf helps to minimize hair loss. It helps to get that lustrous and voluminous healthy natural hair. This is what it looks like after 8 hours of infusion, so let's go ahead and strain it out. Bay leaf has antifungal and antibacterial properties that helps to fight scalp infections. It helps in strengthening the hair follicles. I'm done straining and you guys can tell that it is well infused, so I'll go ahead and transfer into my spraying bottle. Rosemary on the other hand contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. Rosemary stimulates blood supply to our hair follicles, which in turn strengthens the hair. It also helps in solving other hair problems such as split ends and dandruff. Research shows that rosemary helps in growing our hair as minoxidil. What minoxidil does is that it helps to grow hair and prevent hair loss. So yeah, let me show you guys how to apply this treatment. One thing you should know is that protective hairstyle is good for hair growth, but then never make the mistake of neglecting it and go days or weeks without taking care of it. Make sure you treat your scalp, your hair, your hands and your edges even when you have your protective hairstyle on. Do not neglect your hair, alright? Make sure you keep your hair well moisturized to avoid dry scalp and dry braid or hair that can lead to breakage when you're taking down your protective hairstyle. So what I'm doing is to spray generously to my scalp, my hair and my edges, and as soon as I'm done doing that, I'll go ahead and massage my scalp gently. The reason why massaging the scalp is very important is for proper blood circulations on the scalp and better absorption of the treatment. And you already know that proper blood circulations helps to stimulate hair growth, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. So yeah, massaging your scalp is that one thing that you don't want to skip. Massage your scalp properly by using your fingertips while you move in circular motion. I'll go in with my Wild Growth hair oil and apply generously to my scalp only. And just in case you don't have this hair growth oil, you can as well go in with your other hair growth oil. Just that I have to moisturize my scalp today, and that's why I'm using this particular oil. And you all know that this oil has a lot of goodies that are beneficial to our hair. For this particular treatment, you can use it as your leave-in, which basically means you don't have to rinse it out. It can be used up to 3 times in a week, and you can as well store it in a cool place for 7 days. that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.